Okay, so we've been given the order to evacuate the premises because the fire alarms have gone off.
Something when people listen that way too.
So apparently we have to go outside in the freezing cold. I will not be enjoying this.
Yeah, they said it was 11 something.
This is going to cause all kinds of chaos now. So we've all had a pile into this vestibule for the parking garage.
Hold those doors. I'm holding. This guy is brave. This poor guy is a brave soul. You were really good. Oh my God, yeah, that wouldn't even bought us that. Really good. Yeah. Just act like no one's hours. 4 hours. I think it'll do 1. Sorry, there's no room. Door's closed. Oh my God, those poor tutu pounds. I'll go to the gallery tonight. I would like to, but only for Easter, and then I leave. And I don't know when it would be. Oh, there's a show at the beginning. Hold on, I'm going out. I'll get out.
Pass around the candy.
We'll do. I want to stick. Here you go.
Thank you.
It's off at 9.
Anybody want this plate of candy?
No, not yet.
Ooh, plate of candy. Ooh, plate of candy.
Hey guys, say hi to the vlog.
Hey there. Hey. It's frosty out.
We're all packed in here because we don't want to be cold.
Yep.
Oh, it's only 22. Colder.
Only.
Yeah.
Colder with wind.
23.
Colder with wind shear.
I went camping in Klondike in
The staircases and they were pushing everybody down. And I could smell it there. Yeah, they took out that hose too.
Oh my God, it's real. That's not a real fire.
Apparently it was a small fire, but if it's even if there's a small fire, with how many people are in it or not, it can spread easily.
Wait, so there was. Wait, so there was an actual fire.
Yes. They wouldn't take out the
They just kicked us out. They didn't give us anywhere to go.
Yeah, no, they literally just pushed us out of the hotel. We were trying to go upstairs.
The hotel staff is using towels as blankets.
Yeah. We were actually trying to come up here to go to my car to get lunch. And we tried going up the steps and they said, yeah, there's a fire. They're pushing everybody out.
But they're not actually, they're not like telling people.
They opened up a
People
fire
are staying
hydrant.
in the f***ing rooms.
So it's a fire.
Dumbasses, y'all gonna die.
Oh my God.
I just feel like there's some
People are just peeking out of their rooms.
Look at
I think he did.
look at all those people getting jammed down there. Oh my God.
Dude, some of them literally walked
feel
over
bad
and were
for
like, I got my
Sarah,
credit card, I'm going to the Marriott. That was me.
They can't be warm.
Oh, those poor women in there.
We walked from the back of the hotel to the front to get here.
Wow.
Everybody's trying to get to the parking garage.
They're like, that's
Yeah, they
as
can
safe
fight
as you
me.
get.
Claim this spot as my own.
I claimed it last year when I stood up here waving at people in their hotels at 10 o'clock at night.
Yeah, we should do that, but they're not getting out anyway. look at this asshat just watching the mayhem. You can clearly tell there's a fire because they just opened a fire hydrant.
Wait, so
I don't think they'll close out the hotel. If there was a small fire, what they'll do is they'll cordon the area off. And people, if it was one of the rooms, they will relocate the patrons. If it was one of the, if it was an alley or section of the hotel, they'll block it off.
okay.
If there's too many people, they'd lose too much money. And then they'll shut down that area of wherever it was.
Where did you say that you could smell smoke from?
Over by the stairs for Artist Alley.
For the artist alley. So
Where the stairs are for Artist Alley, we're going up there.
We were going
So-
up there and literally we got pushed back down the stairs.
pushed back down the stairs.
so it's not anywhere. So it's not near the hotel rooms.
No,
We
not
don't
really.
think so.
Oh, thank
Okay.
If anything, it might have been. I think it's probably near the workshop areas.
And people are
The top floors for that area.
staying in their rooms too.
How does that something just come
So if it was in one of the rooms, those hallway things would have to go off, or else like that, they're gonna get sued.
Yeah. So it was in a so it wasn't in a hotel area. It was in a convention area.
Yeah.
And because they have some electronics
Wow.
hooked up in there because they're trying to show videos
You know,
and whatnot.
An actual fire at a convention. I can think back to 2012 at BronyCon up in
Just think if
in Secaucus, New Jersey. A hanging light fixture caught fire, and they had to evacuate
they had someone out there.
That is super dangerous though, because like that could if they put water on that, that could cause like electrical.
Well, well, not if they shut. Not if they shut off the power going going to that light. Are they giving some people like blankets?
Yeah.
Oh, actually they
Yeah, they are.
Wow.
They were waiting on the roof.
Looks like we're gonna be here a while.
It's okay. I've got food
Yeah,
in my car.
definitely.
Okay, we could trash talk to keep us warm.
So this will definitely be on the highlight reel for my vlog.
What's your blog? I'll look at it.
My blog, it's gonna be on my YouTube channel. You can find me here. All my social media stuff is there. I'm Red Card.
Cool.
And here comes more people.
Well, yeah, we sent a couple people back down and told them to start sending them up to the higher floors because there's no one here.
Yeah.
Bucket in that one now?
Where are all these people walking off to?
Probably different hotels.
Or some people are walking over to the Marriott.
Probably like getting
Yeah.
Yeah, they're trying to buy rooms over there.
Some people said
Or
they're going to get
just going back to rooms they
hotels at
booked
the
there.
Marriott.
Maybe.
Because they've got nothing else to do.
People from Marriott.
I don't think the Marriott's going to have any rooms. They're probably all booked from the convention anyways.
I'm sweating up in the store.
And any rooms they have left over are probably already bought out.
Got that under boob sweat? No, I've got armpit sweat. I don't have that because I don't like have sleeves on. No, I have vinyl. And
The other one over there.
are you sweating like this too? Oh, dude.